See these dogs in your front yard? Just know upstairs I'm going hard. Bing bong.
302 gang, we back with another one, boy. It's your boy 302. As you can see, man, it's wet and nasty up out here, man. The car all wet. But yeah, today we're gonna install these Viking shocks. So y'all make sure y'all like the video. We about to get started, man. Let me pull this car in the driveway. Y'all stay tuned.
Get it. Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter. This is not a movement you can be a part of. Niggas says up, we take it even further. Met black jets in the bucket now. Riding in the phantom with 100 rounds. Heard these niggas talking, I can't come around. Lambo in the trenches, that's him coming down. Pop up in your city like I talk.
You know, the E85, man. You know, when you're on the E85, the car don't be wanting to start. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Say the manuals, man. Manual only, man. I don't know. I ain't gonna say I want to never get an auto car, but right now, you know, it's manual or nothing right now. So yeah, let's move this car and back it in. This car's so low. I feel like I was about to tear my damn bumper off trying to get up over that hump right there, man. It's crazy. I might do something like adjust it so I could lift it. I might have to lift the front up a little bit, like, bro, this car is low. Like when I say low, I'm like this shit is crazy. Good thing I don't have no exhaust on it. If I had exhaust on it, I wouldn't know what to do. Okay, cool. Now that we got that back, then how the car sound to y'all? Did it sound good? No, I'm only driving, so I never really get to hear how it sounds. How that sound to y'all? Alright, man, let's get these wheels off and get this car jacked up. Let's do this. Alright, you want to jack it up. Make sure you get it super high off the ground on both sides. Cause the rear end ain't gotta come down. I'm tripping. I'm thinking we doing springs. But nah, the rear end gotta, not the rear end gotta come down. I just gotta drop the sway bar right here. So it ain't gotta go that high. I'm tripping. I can leave it right here where it's at. Well, now that we got both of these jacked up, we are about to, we're making good progress, man. We got both of these jacked up. We about to do the shocks on both sides, and we good. Alright now, always remember, boys and girls, power tools are your best friend. So if you don't have nothing and you work on your car, please invest in some. They make the job a lot easier. I broke all the nuts loose. Then you just use your power tools to just take them off instead of doing all that spinny stuff. Taking forever, yeah. Just get you some power tools, man. And you could make that a lot easier. I already popped them loose. You just do the fun part. Simple as that, man. Make sure you invest in some power tools if you don't got none. And some gloves too, you don't want to mess up your hands. Dang, I wish it wasn't damn. See, look, the Boss 302 come with the Ford Performance ones, as you can see right here. They a little dirty, but yeah, they come with the, damn, look at my hand, I should never touch that. They come with the Ford Performance shocks and struts, but I'm about to take these off because I'm sure they didn't plan on the Boss 2 making as much power as mine do, so it's all good. I'm gonna take these off and let's get these other ones installed, baby. Y'all keep watching. Started to get kind of dark, had to go get a light. Okay, so if you look right here, this makes it a lot easier. I don't know how everybody else do it, but you see this, see the bolt to your sway bar right here? Damn, it's wet on this floor. Right here, you wanna undo this bolt because it'll drop the sway bar down and make it a lot easier to get to our nut that we're trying to get to right there. So 15mm socket for both. So let's get to that real quick. And of course it's the same thing on the other side, so I ain't gonna waste your time and show you the other side, but get this first and that I make it easier to get to these. All right, so let's do that. All right, but yeah, like I said, you see right here, you just like I said, you just take that bolt off, 15mm bolt right here, and the back to it is right here. So yeah, do that real quick for that side and you do it for the other side too. Take some pressure off the rear end so I can get the bolt loose, but as you can see, that's the bolt right there. So okay, as you can see, once the sway bar is, once you drop the sway bar right here, it gives you access to this bolt right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it gives you access to this bolt, and that bolt of course goes to your shock, which goes inside the car. So now that we drop that down, we got access to this. Now let's work on getting these, which is of course is another 15mm socket. So like I said, continue to watch. Okay, now after every technical difficulty that could happen, as you can see on both sides, we got the bolt out of the shock, and on this side too. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark over here, but yeah, we got both out. Now, dang, I hate working on this car, I swear. Things never go smooth like they're supposed to. Okay, now that I got both out, now I gotta go inside the trunk and unscrew it from the trunk. Like inside, just let me see. Of course the car jacked up high as hell, so it's gonna be hard for me to get in there too. But hey man, work on your own car, you save money, they say. Add a lot of stress, but you save money. Now I gotta move these out the way and get to the this stable shit. I probably ain't even put this shit in stable. Move these out the way. Damn, I done tore my damn thing. Move everything out the way. And let me just pull this out. This shit that out. Now get all my damn return fuel system stuff in the back seat. Yeah, I got a amp in here. But yeah, move all the stuff out the way. And behind door number 1, ta-da! Look what we got there. That's the top of our shock. And on this side we got 1, 2 behind this. So let's do that real quick. Oh yeah, and an easier way to get to this is through the back seat. As you can see, I went through the back seat and the bolt is right there. Oh yeah, I forgot these are the adjustables. These are for performance, but they also adjustable. They got like a little dial on top that you could like turn to make it stiffer and make it lighter. But trust me, I done made them things stiff as possible. And the factory stuff is not gonna do for this car. I promise you it ain't. So all right, let's get our thing and let's do that real quick so we can get this over with, because I'm already annoyed and tired. All right, now as you can see, you could just with a power tool. Like I said, y'all need power tools, man. But power tools, it makes life a lot more simple. So I just zip that off like that. All right, YouTube, as you can see, after playing the spin around fun game, as you can see, I got it out. So let's pull that out, and why is it not focusing? There we go. Let's pull that out, and we're gonna go do the other side next. Y'all stay tuned. All right, man, I got both sides off, but of course, as you know, now all of a sudden my light I was using starting to go dead. But as you can see, I got both sides off. Stupid light. It is what it is. Both sides is off. Now let's get the new ones in. Basically out, you could just pull them down. As you can see, there we go. That's one. Like I said, the Boss 302 did come with these 4 performance ones. Let me go in the light. These 4 performance ones actually are not so bad. Like if you were stock, as you can see right here, all Boss 302s came with the 4 performance one with the little dial at the top. This little dial thing that you see at the top right here, you can change the stiffness of these shocks, like but the stiffest they go, I believe, is 5. Might be more than that. No, the stiffest they go is 5, from 1 to 5. So it's not bad for stock coming on the Boss 302, not bad at all. The C, out with the old, and time for the new ones. Let's get the new ones. Making good progress, baby. As you can see, we got our first one all the way in. Looks beautiful, man. I need more cleanness up under the car, like how clean this is. But yeah, we got our first one going in, as you can see. Of course, y'all stay tuned. Of course, I gotta put these insides in there. But as you can see, we're making progress. Let's do the other side and let's hurry up and finish this, because I can't even, it's not like I could go out and get y'all anything. It's a terrible day outside, but it is what it is. Let's just finish this up real quick. Let's go. All right, YouTube, I got both sides down, the 2 lock bolts. This side got the same thing. So we are good to go. Now it's time to put all this shit back together. Stay tuned. All right, man, let's finish this shit up, cause I'm tired, G. I ain't gonna lie, I thought this was gonna be simple. I think it really is simple. I just be, I don't know, I be annoyed when it comes to working on cars, man. Say that I really do be snug fitting this shit. Say I don't think I just be damn using the damn gun and that's it. Show that I make sure it's tight. And of course we got to turn all our settings down to 0. And we're gonna work on that as time go. Alright, so let's get this. Now we're gonna get this sway bar up, as you can see. And we're gonna put the wheels back on, tighten everything back up, lower the car down. And I'll show y'all after that. I ain't recording nothing else. I'll just show y'all when everything put back together. Man, gang, I'm not gonna lie to you. Either I need to start working on my car more because I'm getting rusty, or I need to stop working on my car because I'm getting old. One of the two, but that just really, if y'all would have heard all the curse words I was saying just then, y'all would have been like, oh my God, who is he? Y'all wouldn't even know who I was for real. But yeah, we got her done. It's done, man. The things are on. Let me see if you can see him up under the car. Yeah, you can see him up under there. That side. And you can see that one on that side a little bit. But yeah, man, they on, so let me pull the car up a little bit. Finished product, baby, finished product. As y'all can see, I got them on there, man. Like I said, we doing all we can to get ready for this race season, man. We doing all we can to get ready for this race season. I'm gonna need y'all to make sure, y'all stay tuned to your boy, man. I'm working. As you can see, I'm out here in the rain putting car parts on, man. I'm starting to get the bug again. I'm starting to feel it. So, like I said, as you can see, I know we supposed to do some things today, but as you can see, Mother Nature wasn't really our friend. So, I won't be able to get y'all that content that I was promising. But like you said, I was productive today, right? I did something productive. I got something productive done to the car. So like, y'all see that I'm working, man. Look how low this car is, man. That shit don't make no sense. Look how, that is crazy, like. But it is what it is. I like it that way. It look good. Give it like a mean stance, like how it look from right here. Mean stance to it. But yeah, man, like I said, we working, man. We doing more things. I told you I'm trying to get busy, man. Trying to give y'all as much content as possible. Y'all make sure y'all, just stick with your kids. Stick with the kids. Make sure y'all like this video, man. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I can't do no testing today, of course, but trust me, I'm gonna turn the boost up a little bit, and we're gonna go do some street testing to see if them Viking Crusaders, if they actually, helped out a lot. So, like I said, your boy 302. I'm about to sign out. I know it's one a long video. Well, put it this way: the day was long. It might not have been a long video to y'all, but to me, I'm toe up. Look at my socks. My socks toe up. I'm dirty. I'm wet. I done got wet out here. But that's all for y'all, cause I love y'all boys. So just 302 game. We finna check up out of here.
Let's get it. Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter. This is not a movement you can be a part of. Niggas says up, we take it even further. Met black jets in the budget now. Riding in the Phantom with 100 rounds.